Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of devhint. Today, we're going to be playing with the Cloudinary Transformations using our MCP server. It's really fun, it's really cool, easy to use. If you haven't set up the MCP servers in your computer, I recommend you to take a look to the video in the description below. Let's go ahead and get started. Instead of cursor, you're going to see that I have an image. Make sure that you have an image that you want to work with inside of the root folder. Then we're going to go to settings, cursor settings. And then we're going to add a new MCP server. We're going to click right here and then add a new MCP server. In this case, we're going to add the context 7. And this is the configuration that you are going to add. You can find instructions on how to add a new MCP server inside of the documentation. You can find the link inside of the description. Another thing that we should add is Cloudinary docs as context. Right here, we're going to be using a llms.txt file, which is essentially a simple text file that helps the websites tell the AI crawlers and LLMs on how to interact with their content. Think about it as a robot.txt file that you have on the websites, but specifically for AI crawlers and LLM training. You might be wondering, well, Pato, how do I add this LLM context inside of my cursor settings? Super simple. We're going to scroll down. Right here, we're going to find the Cloudinary docs llm.txt file. We're going to click on it, and we're going to copy this link. We're going to go back to cursor. Then inside of cursor, we're going to open settings, cursor settings, and then we're going to click on indexing and docs. And then add doc, paste the link. And then you can give it the name that you want. Cloudinary official docs, confirm. And here it is. That's all you have to do. Now what we're going to do is add the Cloudinary transformation rules. These rules are essentially going to help your AI agent write better syntax whenever it's writing the transformations. Now we're clicking here. We're going to copy this link. We go back to cursor. And we're going to click on indexing and docs as well. Add doc, paste the link. And then we can put Cloudinary transformations or wherever. Confirm. And then there you go. Now we're going to get ready to start working with the Cloudinary MCP transformations. We're going to use context 7 as well and the Cloudinary transformation rules. The first thing that we got to do is give our AI agent some context as our image, the docs. We're going to click on the transformation rules and the official docs as well. Now we're going to tell our image and our AI agent how to behave. Add the sepia effect to this image using context 7. You can see what it's doing. We're going to click on Run Tool. Run Tool again. It's loading the assets. We copy the URL or the image with the sepia effect. We have copied the URL. We're going to paste it in the browser. And as you can see, we see e_sepia, which is the effect that we applied to our image. We go back to cursor. Now, make this image circular. We click enter. Let's see what happens. Okay, this should be changing the shape of the image as well. The cool thing is that it's giving us different options with the radius, and we can see right here that it's giving us a perfect circle as well. And we can see that it didn't give us a perfect circle. Why? Because the image is not a perfect square. Now make the image 400 by 400. Now it should be a perfect square. Perfect. We copy this option, we paste, and there you go. One last thing that I want to do is add a text overlay. Now, as you can see, it's gonna be in green. It's gonna say Pato. It's giving me different options with a better visibility or positioning and styling. And there you go. The text perfectly centered. Hopefully you learned a lot about MCP server and transformations.